Alright guys, so to start off these hot chocolate tablets, I have here a pound of piloncillo sugar. Now this is unrefined cane sugar you could find in your Latin supermarkets. 1 cinnamon stick was added, as well as 4 ounces of 100% cacao chocolate, and last 18 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips. I'm gonna pulse this until it resembles a dirt-like texture. It's all going to get crumbly and the cinnamon and piloncillo is going to break down. Now, if you don't have a food processor, you can always do this by hand with the cheese grater. Now, this is what it looks like. If there are a few pieces of chocolate left or some little balls of piloncillo, that is perfectly fine. I have some water boiling here in a small pot, and I'm going to add the bowl on top to melt all of this chocolate together. Make sure that your bowl isn't touching your water and keep this on a low heat to slowly melt everything together. Now, once everything has nicely incorporated, I'm going to pour one more 18-ounce bag of melted semi-sweet chocolates. I melted this real fast in the microwave and just mix this together until it becomes incorporated. These hot chocolate discs will keep in a cool, dry place for up to 6 months, if this seems like a lot of chocolate to you. Now, these are the chocolate molds that I will be using. I'll leave the link below where I got them from. If you don't have chocolate molds, you can simply just wrap these little disc shapes of chocolate in plastic wrap. Now, when everything is nice and smoothed out, leave these on your counter to allow them to harden overnight. Do not refrigerate these. This recipe makes 6 4-ounce discs, and each disc makes 5 cups of hot chocolate. Now that the chocolate is nice and hardened, I'm going to make 2 cups of hot chocolate. Simply place it in a small pan, and with some whole milk, I'm going to put this on a low heat and I'm going to stir it until it comes to a boil. I'm using this molinillo to make this hot chocolate nice and foamy, but if you don't have one, you can simply just use a whisk. And that's pretty much it. Your wonderful Mexican hot chocolate is ready. It smells so amazing in here, and it made my house smell like a chocolate factory when I was making these. Now that was my recipe for Mexican style hot chocolate. Let's give it a try. Whoa, this is insane. It's so deep and chocolatey. And that cinnamon, it gives it such a warm and soothing taste. And that piloncillo, the unrefined cane sugar, it makes it so unique. This is an incredible hot chocolate. I think with coffee it would be really good in here to make like a Mexican style mocha. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to comment down below what you thought about it and give this video a big thumbs up if you did like it. If you guys are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe because I have a bunch of quick and easy recipes that I post weekly. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.